Hey everyone, welcome to my new listing at 43131 Grizzly Court. We're very close to everything. We're just a few seconds away from the zoo, the shuttle. You're near everything in Lower Moonridge, but take a pan around. You're like, this nice cul-de-sac. Go ahead and show them real quick. What's awesome is the sitting area you guys have here. You're in a nice cul-de-sac. All you hear are trees, birds, trees. That was dumb. I meant to say you hear wind through the trees. We'll keep that in the edit. You guys can see that I'm human. But look at this great sitting area, great curb appeal, almost like a craftsman style look. Let's go take a look at the house. All right, so this house has 2 stories. I don't mean stories levels, I mean stories to the house, because it was originally built, only had this little area. All this is new in the back. So originally you only had 1 bathroom. Tastefully done, but if you look in here, you can see that there no shower, but it's a full bath, toilet, everything in there. So make sure when you guys are looking at this house, look behind the store, you're going to miss it. This front room, got a nice little sitting area, wood burning fireplace, got your dining back there, right? So everyone's kind of contained. And keep following me over here, guys, and look at the feel of this. You can't even get tongue and groove like this anymore, just off the shelf. That's just insane. Show them the, take a look at the kitchen real quick. You can tell it's a little older because it was a little smaller back then. People didn't have as big of kitchens, but for a second getaway home, it's perfect. Now that's where the original house used to end. This was added on, so you actually have a formal dining area, nice little chandelier. Here you have another bedroom area the kids can play, or you can make it a full bunk or bed, whatever you guys want to do. This was the new bathroom that was added probably back in the 80s. It's been a while, but very functional, great bathroom, full, and then you have a Jack and Jill pass-through. So this would be the primary that was added on, and you have your washer and dryer in the back in here. Let's go outside and take a look real quick. What's great about this property, you're in a cul-de-sac, but this lot actually goes street to street. Your lot goes all the way up there to the upper street up there, and this lot is huge. Nice little sitting area here, but if you ever wanted to add on, you could blow this whole thing out and make it twice as big. Up there you got a nice little gazebo. I mean, for the location price, you really can't be beat this. Let's go take a look at the gazebo real quick, guys. This would be an awesome area for a spa. It's nice and private, quiet back here in the house. And what's kind of cool too is they did some landscaping you'll see on the ground. So you might get the occasional stream or water runoff, but it's all diverted away from the house. House was kept in great condition. Can't beat it. Close to everything. Close to 400 grand. Come take a look at it. See you guys soon.